Welcome to Melton Machine and Control Company. My name is Glenn Archer and I am the Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Melton Machine. We're in Washington, Missouri, and we're going to show you our facility today. Unfortunately, because of the current COVID crisis, we're not having guests in to tour our facility. We have the occasional customer come in and we're working, but we're using masks, we're practicing social distancing, so you're not going to see a lot of people walking around right now. Melton Machine is celebrating our 50th year, and what a great anniversary we're having right now. It'd be great if we could have people here, and we'd like you to come visit us, just can't do it right now. We have 130 people, and we have been operating in our new facility for about 2.5 months. And this new facility is great because it has plenty of ability to expand. We've got room for all of our salespeople, all of our engineers. We've got room to expand both in people and in machinery on our floor. A total of 365,000 square feet, which is almost 2.5 times what our last facility was. Why don't you come with me and we'll go inside and I can show off some of the cool things we have. We have 70 engineers in the engineering group. There are close to 30 controls engineers and a little over 30 mechanical engineers. We even have 20 people that are certified, excuse me, self-certified to be setup and robot programming people that travel to your facility and start up equipment. So come on inside. So this is our lobby. Hopefully everybody can hear me through the mask. Again, we're practicing social distancing and we're keeping our masks on the whole time we're around people. So we've been in this facility for 2.5 months. And it's a beautiful lobby, and we've got a lot of cool things to show off here. We have plenty of meeting rooms and conference rooms for customers to get into. We have the highest technology available that we can put in terms of audio-visual and abilities to present and do offline programming and do simulation of anything that you're planning on building. But this is our lobby. Beautiful signs, beautiful daylight coming in. Why don't you come along with me and we'll start heading toward the shop. In ordinary times, this would be our front lobby. This lobby would be where our receptions would be at, and so when you do visit, you'll get a chance to log in with state-of-the-art technology. Our receptionist will give you all the instructions on how to be safe as you're coming through our facility. Let's go. You can't go in there right now, but if you look down that hall, inside there is our engineering group, the controls engineering and mechanical design. We have about 100 cubes available for people to work in there. And like I said, there's 60-something cubes being used up right now by our people, so we have plenty of room to grow. We also have room for additional office expansion on that side of our building. More conference rooms and meeting areas over here. Let's go this way, and I'll take you out to our shop. So come on back to Melton's shop. We've got all kinds of territory here that we can build machines. We have parts here, places here where we can build tooling and fixtures. We have a big runoff area here. You can see there's offices up on top and on the first floor. So we got plenty of space. We don't have any constraints. We got as much room as you need. We have 265,000 square feet of production facility. We have built gauges and attribute gauges and in-process gauges. And we're going to show you an example of a final gauge that we have put together here. And this is something we've been working on for a while. Let me introduce you to one of our gauge engineers. This is Tom. Tom, I'll let you go ahead and speak to the people at home.
All right, thanks Glenn. Again, I'm Tom Chaney, gauging application engineer here at Melton. I'm standing next to our benchmark gauging cell. This particular cell includes an independent docking station separate from a rolling gauge and cart. This allows a number of different gauges to be adapted easily and quickly to a standalone structure. It will include a lot of your traditional safety features such as light curtain barriers, dump valves, emergency stop. We've also got your lockout and tag out points on the back. Stepping a little bit closer to the gauge itself, the gauge from Melton includes, we've got some variable data collection here. We've got some hardened and precision data feature simulators. We've also got floating details here, as well as visual cues to fully encompass your virtual condition envelopes, as well as a number of ergonomically friendly loading positions, automated clamping, everything nice and robust. So now I'm going to give you a quick demo of how a typical gauge from Melton works.
Melton is very experienced in designing easy-to-load fixtures and gauges, whether parts are located in car position or in a process-friendly orientation. It's as simple as drop the part in, step out, and hit go. The gauge will clamp in a sequence that corresponds to the part's datum scheme, and after all advancing and clamping conditions are met, variable data is collected, and the interface gives a clear indication of pass or fail.
That's typical operation of a Melton final assembly gauge. Glenn, you got anything to add?
Thanks, Tom. Melton Machine and Control Company has been producing precision tools and fixtures for over 35 years. Now we're in the gauging business. You'll see that there's a lot of attributes to our gauges that help make us special. We're doing everything we can to take as much cost out of gauges as we can and still provide what customers need to properly check their parts. If you got an application, give us a call. We'll be happy to work with you. We'll be happy to invent something new. We can even go so far as to show you some of the success stories we've had in non-contact gauging, where we have cameras do the measurements. Give us a call. Thanks.